Hi everybody, so this is going to be our daily agenda for March 4th. Today is odds, just as a reminder. Additional reminders, make sure your elective choice form has been completed. A lot of you were able to do it on time. Nice job. For those of you that haven't, get on it before admin is going to have to choose your electives. Additional reminder, have those chapter response pages 1 through 12 done. So we're going to be doing a little bit of review today, and you guys are going to have your chance to also continue working on some of the work that we've been doing for the Outsiders. So I just wanted to let you guys know tomorrow is our final assessment for the Outsiders. So we are having a test tomorrow. So this is not a surprise. We've had that in our weekly reading schedule for you guys, and we've been letting you know too. All right, so for your do now today, you guys are going to work on this plot chart. So what you guys are going to do is you guys are actually going to drag and drop each of the events into the correct spot on the chart. So no event is used twice. You can use a novel if you need to refer back to certain events, or if you're a little confused, you can use it. But make sure to put them in. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 events. None of them are used twice. You guys got this. I've got 10 minutes on the clock, and you guys, all you have to do is drag and drop. Drag and drop. And then we are going to go ahead, after we've discussed a little bit of where these events go, we're going to do a double Kahoot review because I want to make sure you guys are familiar with some of the questions that were on the test, some of the answers that you guys have kind of traditionally gotten wrong, maybe kind of clear up some of that confusion. So we're going to do a quick round of Kahoot just to review, and then you guys are going to have the rest of time in class to go over our response pages. So that way you can get up to that chapter 12. Remember, you guys are responsible for the free writes. The free writes should already be done. You're responsible for the chapters 1 through 12 response pages and the character chart, which is that first page. For 3-4, you're also responsible for that quote page. All you guys have to do is put down who said the quotes. And make sure to complete the sections in complete sentences. There's some that just ask for the name. Those are fine if you just put like dairy or soda pop or pony boy. But for the most part, just make sure to complete them in full sentences. And then for our final question, phew, we made it. But what did we learn? For one last time, I want to ask you, my students, who is the real hero of The Outsider and why? There's so many themes from this novel. There's unity, there's family, there's heroism. But I want to hear from you guys. Who is a real hero to you in The Outsiders and why? There are no right or wrong answers, but there are strong and weak arguments. So if you need the help, I've left some sentence frames there below for you guys. As always, folks, if you guys have any questions or just need something from me or Mrs. Arroyo or Miss Reyes, we're here for you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.